let's change out that ignition switch. Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to address a known issue with Mazda B-Series pickups. I'm going to be changing out my ignition switch. Not the actual lock, or the ignition tumbler, but the switch inside. This is the piece right here. Includes an entire harness. I'm going to be replacing it. There's a number of videos on YouTube that showcase how to do this. Pretty straightforward process. I'm going to put my camera into time lapse and go through it. In addition, I need to reclock my steering wheel here to address it being a little bit out of alignment. I need to fix that. I'm going to take care of that as well in this video. Pretty straightforward stuff. If you have any questions about the pickup or what I'm doing, please let me know in the comments down below. And I'll also post the part number for this. It's a Duralast part. Don't remember the number off the top of my head, and the box is inside. I don't feel like getting it. If you are wondering, this is a JIS screwdriver. I highly recommend getting a set of these for anything of this era of Japanese make. They fit so much better than a regular Phillips because it's made to fit the Japanese standard. Anyways, I will go ahead and get started, and I'll put the camera in time lapse now. All right, y'all, let's kind of talk about what you just witnessed. So in several of the other videos I've seen online, guys are removing their gauge cluster. I didn't need to do that. You saw me kind of looking behind there multiple times trying to figure out, like, what on earth is holding this up?
Is this it? Nope. Is this it? Nope.
And there's a couple things. Previous owner put in some new speakers, so the speaker wire was kind of in the way, but not bad. It wasn't a big deal. It's just the switch assembly just needed to be routed back through. By the way, take a look at, someone's definitely been in here before messing with stuff, and it was done. This switch was. So anyhow, the other hard part was just, it was this bit of the harness was literally right there in that cavity. And unfortunately, my hands are too big. I can't get in. So I removed the fuse box just enough, pushed it out of the way to get up in there. And then from this side of the steering column, the very last of it, I was able to get both hands in, push down these buttons, and pull from both sides of the harness. Without the other hand, I was able to get in there and push this down, but there was enough friction I couldn't do anything about it. It was just, pulling the whole harness, and it's got tape around everything, and it would probably be okay to just really give it some force. But yeah, I've already scratched up a couple of the pieces here a little bit. I don't know that, I might notice them, but whatever. This is all going to come off at some point in the future anyway to do modifications. I am going to go ahead and get this thing installed, put you back in time lapse, and then just wrap the video up. You're probably wondering what that tape is. I don't want to talk about it. Well, I will.
It's like this, man. You like a butterfly flapping his wings deep down in the forest, man. They're gonna cause a tree fall like no goddamn, man. Man, see, like, you don't need to know, man. What you gonna, it's like.
So this is actually an RX-7 adapter. Mazda parts interchange really well, except when they don't exactly interchange very well. And really all it is this accordion cover. This is just on there temporarily, temporary, permanent, until I can get a cover that goes the whole length from here to here, right? Covers the entire gap. It's just there, it's just so that thing isn't flopping around. You really can't notice with the steering wheel on. So you guys know now, the entire internet knows what I was trying to hide from the rest of the world. So
I'm sorry, I used to be much stronger.
Anyways, I'm going to get started. I'm kind of getting hot with the fan off, so I need to get that kicked back on, put everything back together, and we'll bring it back at the very end. Here's my actual miles. Amazes me how good it, I mean, this truck is in pretty good shape. All right, it's running again. What a filthy mess that was. Sorry for all the noise, but I have a door buzzer again. Hopefully you can hear that. I'll rev up the engine so you can hear the exhaust a little bit more. Anyways, that's it, you guys. That's the extent of this video, is just replacing that. It took me a while, mainly just trying to fish around in there and figure out how not to break this fragile plastic. Until next time, peace out. Keep it between the ditches.